Good afternoon, everyone. We break into this programming to bring you breaking news. Now, former Deputy Sean Grayson of Sangamon County has been found guilty of second-degree murder in the death of Sonia Massey. The verdict was read just before 2:30 this afternoon. The jury deliberated for over 12 hours. Now, Sean Grayson was in court since Monday, October 20th. That's when jury selection started. Again, the jury has been deliberating for 12 hours before delivering that second-degree murder verdict. Now, he was charged with 3 counts of first-degree murder as well, but in those charges, a person intends to kill somebody, a person intends to inflict great bodily harm, or commits an act that could lead to death or great bodily harm that leads to death. That's first-degree murder. Second-degree murder, the defense had to prove that while their client may have killed someone, they did so because of the circumstances. So that's what that's what the jury ended up giving him, a second-degree murder. And this is all on our X account. And we can tell you from live inside the courtroom that Sonia Massey's family was there. And we do know her daughter, Summer, was breaking down, swearing loudly, very upset. She wants her mom back. She doesn't understand why he wasn't convicted on first-degree murder. But unfortunately, you know, this is the justice system, and this is where we're at. Her family did end up going to her and holding her up and removing her from the courtroom. We are now waiting on a news conference outside of the courthouse for Ben Crump, which is the Sonia Massey family attorney, will be out there. He will have something to say. We're waiting on that right now. We have a crew on standby. We don't know if we have that live shot we can take a look at now as we're waiting for this news conference to happen. But again, we have Sean Grayson guilty of shooting Sonia Massey inside her home on second-degree murder charges, not any counts of the first, second, or third-degree first-degree murder charges. So that is where we are at with this. Again, we are updating everything on our X account and our social medias. We do know that he will be sentenced, and that has been set already, on January 29th. And he was taken in handcuffs again outside of the courtroom back to jail. Again, guilty on second-degree murder charges. We have been there in the courtroom since the beginning, and we have been tweeting out exactly what's happening. Again, the family upset at this hour. They really wanted first-degree murder, as did the state, of course. The state wanted first-degree murder, and that's what he was charged with. But the jury found him guilty after 12 hours of second-degree murder. We will continue to have more on social media, on our newscasts on air, and on our website, and we will bring you any more details as they become available. Our Nick Davis will give us reaction and what happened inside that Peoria County courtroom on all sides once that verdict was read. For now, I'm Dawn Sterling. We return you back to regularly scheduled programming. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch more videos from News Channel 20.